All right, so my E-Trade account, I have $2,066, and on my Webull account, I have $180. So I'm looking at roughly $2,246 and some change on my collective accounts. Now, if you've been following my road to 10K, you know that was a huge hit. We was looking at 4K right before the huge sell-off, and at the end of the year, a big sell-off was December the 31st, and it's been a huge sell-off since. It's been a sell-off since December 31st to this point. I admit I got cocky. I thought I was gonna end the road to 10K last week. Everything lined up perfectly for me, except that huge sell-off. I didn't anticipate that. I kind of got ahead of myself, got cocky, but hey, it's a part of it. You know what I'm saying? It's a part of it. You're gonna get a big hit, maybe get some wins. You're gonna come out here feeling good. And then sometimes you keep winning, but sometimes stock market hits you and humble you up a little bit. But that does not mean the plays I was in and I'm still in are bad. It just means that the time is off. So if you look at how Romeo Power is performing, it's killing my small portfolio, even my large portfolio. It was anticipated to be a quick flip, but now it's becoming a longer play. As I'm still holding. Some of you probably already sold on RMO, and I don't blame you. There's other plays you can get into to get your money up, especially some of these Bitcoin plays like BTBT and Riot and MARA and some other plays. But universally, the market has been down. It's not like RMO isn't performing, but everything else is going up. It's just timing, like I said. So what's going on is you had the huge sell-off in December 31st, and then coming to the new year, you have the elections coming. So especially Georgia's election, which is huge, the elections for the Senate. So a lot of people are pulling their money out because they don't know what to expect after these elections tomorrow evening, and they don't want to be caught out there in the wind come Wednesday if the market has a even larger sell-off. So with that being said, and that's a good segue for those that are following my journey, and if you have some holdings as well, I want to reintroduce you to what is called the trailing stop loss. So if you have what is a trailing stop loss? A trailing stop loss is when you put a percentage on how much you're willing to let a stock fall before selling that stock off. You can definitely do this on Robinhood. Now, I'm not sure if you can do this on E-Trade, so because I haven't done on E-Trade. But if you're following me, I told most of you guys to at least get a Robinhood. But I would definitely look at the trailing stop loss on any other platform that you may be trading on as well. This helps you protect your money so you don't end up losing your money. A safe amount to put is like 5%. So if that stock is continuing to drop 5%, you probably want to go ahead and take your money and then sit back and watch and see what the market's going to do, because it might keep dropping. And if it decides to start rocking, you easily hop back on. It's because the plays, most of these stocks are at what is called the floor. I don't think it's going to get too much lower than where it is right now, but hey, you never know. So that's why you do the trailing stop loss. So what's the play for the rest of the week? I mean, right now we're going to be very cautious around this election. Everybody else is skipped. Everybody else is being cautious. So we got to move how the environment moves. Remember, when you buying stocks, you selling stocks, you're basically competing against the next person. So you got to anticipate the moves that they're going to make. That's why probably the sell-off's happening today instead of tomorrow. They don't want to be caught out there, so they try to get in a day early. I get it, but I did not anticipate that affecting Romeo Power or Golden Nugget, because they're making products. They have revenues to report out on and stuff like that. So it was kind of weird to see those stocks get affected even by this sell-off. But hey, sometimes it's not about what's logical, it's about how the investors feel about protecting their money. So that's just a lesson when it comes to stocks. And I wanted to be transparent. So when I have my bad days, I'm gonna show you this. When I have my good days, I'm gonna show you this. And that's really what this whole road to 10K is about. It's not just about rushing to $10,000. Mixed feelings, cause I'm not gonna lie and say I'm happy it happened, but I am at the same time, because I didn't want to give it false sense of, yo, this is how you do it. No, it's ups and downs when it comes to the market. All right, so what's the plan for this the rest of the week? So today is Monday, and we got the Tuesday's elections, then we got the results from the elections come Wednesday. What I want you guys to do is make sure, number one, protect your money. So practice that trailing stop loss, put it on your stocks that you got large holdings in. You don't want to lose no more of your money. That's the first thing. All right, two, positive note. We are in the buy zone for a lot of stocks. Good stocks you should look at that are going to double up this year. Stocks like Macy's, Dropbox, Fuel Cell, Plug is in a nice dip right now. What's another one? Escapes me for a second. Look at Workhorse. Look at excuse me. Look at Home. It's a few others that I failed to mention right now. The recovery stocks I speak of, your airline stocks, your look at Boeing, look at Delta Airlines, look at American Airlines, look at Spirit. Like, just those are the stocks that you should look at, as well as some of these dividend stocks like Maine. Maine is a good dividend stock. Apple, AT&T. So the T ticker symbol is a great dividend stock to buy. PSEC, PSEC is another good dividend stock to buy. Right now, when things are down like this, that is when you attack. So take some time to look at those type of stocks while everything is low. Like, it's a red day, but that red day is still a day where things are on sale. So that's how you need to look at these things. That's how you attack. That's how you attack the APXTs while they're in the teens. So when you hop in on these things early, you can ride them up into the 20s. The APXTs, the IPVs, the what's another one? NGAs, the even SBE. It got a little bit more dip because Kramer said don't chase it until it gets to the 20s, but keep an eye on SBE. And if you're holding SBE, you might want to put a trailing stop loss on it, because Kramer literally said that today, like this evening during his segment. But that's all I got for you. You have any questions for me? If you're in my chat, feel free to ask me about the trailing stop loss. I'll be here. I'll keep myself available to you. If you're not in my chat, ask me how to get in my chat. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel, trying to get it to 40 subscribers, and trying to get it to my first 100. So I've been doing this for about 3.5 weeks. So I'm trying to build this page up. So any support is welcome. And without any further ado, remember, it's not a race, it's a marathon. We're gonna get to the road. We're gonna take this road to 10K, and we're gonna take it to 100K. Peace.